Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to give you 3 reasons why I love this Jimmy mattress vacuum. So the first one is it's got really strong suction power. The third one is it rolls really easy and it's very easy to use. It's got a long 16-foot cord. And the third reason is I've got 3 different modes. I can do UV, tap, which is called the roller, and vacuum, or I can do just UV and vacuum or tap and vacuum. So let's try it out. You're going to turn it on. There's a mode switch. I can go through all the different modes, but I like to have all 3 on. It rolls really easy on my mattress. Now it's putting hot air, it's forcing hot air down these ports right here, and it also has a UV light. Now that UV light will not be on unless these micro switches are depressed. So you can't turn it on and expect to see the UV light. It will only come on when you've got this on the mattress. I have tested it. When you look down in there, you can see the UV light when those micro switches are depressed. Cleanup is really simple. You're simply going to take this, click this release button, rotate this top part, take this off, take that over to the trash can and empty it out. Now I was cleaning my dog bed. It also works great for dog beds. So here I've got my dog's bed, turn it on, and it just rolls. It's so easy. And I feel like it really is doing a good job of cleaning all the pet hair off. But it's also using the UV light and the hot air, which I can really feel that hot air. Again, look at all of that picked up in the dog bed. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.